Last time I have given an introduction to a tensor, what kind of tensor, what is the difference between the tensors that we have in a PyTorch, and how to find the size, how to find the shape of the tensor. So now, today we will try to see how to create a tensors. So there are several methods, let's say, to create a tensors. Sometimes you would like to create a tensor with only zeros. So create a tensor, fill it with zeros. So how to do so? So you have to define the dimension of the tensor. For instance, 3 by 4, three rows and 4 columns, and all of this will be initialized as 0. So if we now click run, and you can see here is, let's see this shape here is 3 by 4. So you can see this is the 3, and here we have 4 values, let's see columns, and you can see here 0 0 0 0, and the size of this, the shape of this, as you can see here, is 3 by 4. And another one, you can sometimes you would like to fill the tensor with ones. And in this case, for instance, we have 2 by 3, and we have 2 rows and 3 columns. And if we run this, I am just to try to add these, let's see, plot, just to see, to show you how the tensors. Otherwise, this one here is enough. This one here is already enough. So you can see here is all values are 1. And the shape, of course, the shape will be, of course, exactly the same as we have here, 2 by 3. And sometimes we need to have a random tensors. Sometimes, let's see, we have 3 times 3, and here we have, as you can see here, torch.random, and this random will be a values between 0 and 1. And if we click now here, you can see 0.72, 0.03, 0.22, and if you run again, you will get different, of course, values. And the size of this, the shape of the tensor here is 3 by 3. And sometimes you have an already exacted data. Let's say you have numby array, and you would like to convert it to a tensor. So what you have to do, let's see, for instance, in the beginning you have to give this tensor torch.tensor, and we assume this is, let's see, a list, or might be maybe a numby array or anything, or maybe you read it from a file and you would like to convert it to a tensor. And here we have, for instance, 2 by 2. So you can see we have a size 2 by 2. And here's, for instance, 1, 2 is this 1, 2, and the second, let's see, row is 3 and 4, 3, 4. And I think this this is how to create a tensors. We have several methods. We have, let's see, several possibilities to create tensors, either by, if you would like to create it ones, all the inputs will be filled by ones, or zeros, or maybe random, or maybe you can create it from the data itself that you already created in you use it, for instance, numby array or anything. I think that's it for today, and thanks for watching, and see you next time. Next time we will see how to use, let's see, tensor indexing.